This is quite a spread. This is insanity. So here I have garlic naan because I fell in love with it some time ago. And I totally forgot that I'd ordered deviled eggs. Now there's a story behind deviled eggs because as a trainee, as a hotel management trainee, I was given the task to remove the egg yolks without breaking the white, put them in a piping bag, add all of the spices and seasoning, and pipe it back into the egg. And that was a dessert. Sorry, it wasn't a dessert, it was an appetizer. Now, I have never had it again in many years. So seeing it on the menu, I said, oh yeah, need to get it. So this is my deviled eggs and spare ribs. Now I figured I was just gonna get a tasting platter. But look at that, that's a whole meal. Y'all need to pray for me.